Well, Francis, do you think he eats leaves or does he eat meat? Are you sure? Should we have a look? Should we have a look and find out?
Yes. Here's the little one. Look at that one.
Yeah.
That's a little bird.
That's Francis. That is an Albertosaurus.
Yes, an Albertosaurus.
Yeah. How weird is that? He's weird. All right. Well, what else are we gonna look at? Oh wow, that's a bit of that's petrified wood. He's scared out of his mind.
Yeah.
What's over here?
The head.
What head is that? What is it?
A Triceratops.
What did you say, sorry?
A Triceratops.
Triceratops.
Oh.
Can you say Triceratops?